How to leave a gift to your favorite non-profit in your last will and testament, a step-by-step guide. Leaving a gift to your favorite non-profit organization in your last will and testament is a meaningful way to support causes that are important to you even after you're gone. Whether it's a charity dedicated to education, healthcare, environmental conservation, or any other cause close to your heart, your donation can make a lasting impact. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process of including a charitable bequest in your will. Step 1. Identify your favorite nonprofit. Start by selecting the nonprofit organization you wish to support with your bequest. Consider causes or organizations that align with your values and interests. Think about the amounts or the percentages of your net estate you wish to donate. Step 2. Determine your intentions. Decide how you want your gift to be used by the nonprofit. You can specify whether you want the donation to be used for general purposes, a specific program, or to establish an endowment fund. Clearly defining your intentions will ensure that your wishes are carried out accurately. Step 3. Include the bequest in your will. Work with your attorney or use the nonprofittrust.net, a self-directed software company that is non-profit friendly, to incorporate the charitable bequest language into your will. Step 5. Follow the simple steps on nonprofittrust.net. Please download the Last Will and Testament questionnaire. Email that form back to us. Wait for your personal estate planner to contact you by phone and go over your plan. Pay the $199 fee on our website when you are ready. Step 6. Inform your executor and loved ones. Communicate your decision to leave a gift to your favorite nonprofit to your chosen executor and loved ones. Provide them with a copy of your will and instructions on how to execute your wishes upon your passing. Open communication can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure your intentions are fulfilled. Conclusion. Leaving a gift to your favorite nonprofit in your last will and testament is a meaningful way to support causes that are important to you and leave a lasting legacy of generosity. By following these steps and seeking guidance from legal and financial professionals, you can ensure that your charitable intentions are carried out according to your wishes.